Okay, let's fix this little box up that's busted. So the two halves are almost apart. I am going to pull this all the way apart. So I can, okay. There it is. There. That whole part came out. Drag and open this up. Obviously this thing is all covered with oil, so it's not going to help make gluing this up back together any easier, but I'm going to try with a couple things. First, a very smelly rubberized adhesive that I'm going to put in the crack here. The top of the box should be able to move a little bit, because anybody who does woodwork knows that wood likes to expand and contract. So you can't glue it too hard in that space that was left as a expansion joint. And then, oh, I forgot I had these adorable little screws. In the land of just fixing random stuff, I'm gonna put a dab of super glue on the butt joint on both sides. The top here, let that run down through it. And just clamp it. I think I'm gonna go get my regular proper C-clamps here. Hold that together. More properly. And then I found that in my box of random stuff that I have out here, I have a couple tiny screws that are just the right size to take a pilot hole and drill in here without splitting. So since I found these, I'm gonna look around, see if I have 4 of them so I can just put a screw in each of these butt joints, 2 of which have already split, so that this mounting box will stick together a little bit more. And I haven't decided. I But how much I want to put onto trying to get this mounting box to be sturdier because it came with the engine, or if I need to really investigate trying to put together a bigger mounting box or base for multiple engines. Although I do kind of like this, just this rail that I put together that holds the engines that I can detach them from, which you guys have seen me using. So we'll see. Decisions to be made, and like most of the fun of any of this is puttering with these little toys and not always just running them. So anyhow, that should hold nicely, and we'll play with them more next week, I'm sure.